Our supplies for this project are a plastic container. I am using a canola oil bottle. We want something that's white in color and slightly translucent. A push button light. Ideally, we want the button to be on the bottom. This was all I could find right now, so I'm going to make it work. Some faux fur. Some peg dolls that I've already painted white and then black on the ends. These will be the little hoops. And then I've already cut my vinyl. So first I used black vinyl to cut the spots. Then here I have the ears and then the inner part of the eye. White vinyl to cut the little inside of the ears and then the outside part of the eyes. And then a little pink snout. I'm also using a little bit of clear plastic gift wrap to go behind the ears. To prep my bottle, first I had to clean it and use a degreaser since this was an oil container. And let's see. So with the handle on top, this is going to be the bottom of the cowl. I had already placed my light here and traced it. And then I used a craft knife to cut out the circle. So what's going to happen is my light, when I twist it a little, it fits right in that space and it doesn't fall out. Okay, this is where I was saying ideally you want to have the push button on the bottom. Unfortunately, I couldn't find that, so I will have to pull mine out every time I want to turn the light on, but it's not that hard to do. I'm going to start with the face. So first, let's put this cute little snout on the front there. You can use transfer tape. I'm just going to peel and stick it like a sticker. And let's see, that looks about right. Right, I used my scissors to trim the excess off. So we've got the snout. Now we can add the eyes. All right, the eyes are in place. Now let's work on the ears. Once my ear is completed, I have stuck it on the clear plastic wrap and I'm going to trim around that and cut it out so that it looks like this. And then I will be taping it right there underneath the handle. All right, now let's really make this look like a cow. We're going to start adding the cow pattern to the bottle. So since this is vinyl, I can just peel and stick it. You can also use transfer tape if you would like to. That way you don't get bubbles. All right, our cow light is mostly done. Now all that's left to do is to glue the ears on, glue the legs on. I'm going to take some of this fur and put a little poof of fur right here on the handle, and then I'm also going to make a tail for the end of my light. So I'm just going to be using some super glue, letting that dry, and then we'll see the finished project. Well, I think this cow light's looking pretty cute. The only change I made as I was assembling it is that it was really tricky to get the legs to attach to a slick surface. So I drilled small holes in the peg dolls and I put a thumbtack inside there. So it is held together with a thumbtack and that's keeping these in place. So all that's left to do is insert my light and turn it on.